Hi everyone, this is Janet. I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how you can use these no prep games to practice or do additional learning anytime with any lesson. So right now we're looking at the Google Slides version of the games. So you can see on the slides have the different games, and you can pick whichever game you want to play when you have this open. So if you were in Zoom or Qualago, you would have this open on your browser and be sharing your screen or using the shared browser in Qualago. And hopefully, ideally, your student can share control with you, which they can do that in Qualago, or if you're using the right devices and they're using the right devices in Zoom. Alright, so you basically have this board in front of you, and we're going to do winner, winner, chicken dinner. And let's say I want to practice spelling with my student. So they would click into the box, which is the work area, and I would give them a word to spell, and they would use the procedures you would normally use to go ahead and spell the word. If you wanted a spot to put the rule you're working on or any information, you could use this area down here. Once they have that word done, and let's say they were doing reading, you could type the word and they could read it, and then you would go ahead and proceed with the game. Any other subject, you could ask them a question, they could answer it, or do a math problem. So really this is suitable for literally any subject that you are tutoring. And once you're ready to take a turn after they've successfully answered, in this case I've also pulled up a Google Spinner. All I did was type in Google Spinner and this came up, and you can spin it. And by the way, if you click down here, there's also dice roller and a coin toss and a lot of other options, but I just decided to do the spinner. So we got 2. So we'd go just to the tab, back to the tab where the game is, and your student would pick their game piece and move 2, and then you could just take a turn. You don't necessarily have to do the exercise. You can if you want. Okay, I got 6, so I would move my game piece 6. When I land on the red one, it looks like I've got to move back 2. So you just continue with that and do all your practice spelling, reading, or whatever topic you're working on. And that's how you can do that in the Google Slides game.